Yeah, welcome back to Extreme TV. It's your boy Jason, and I'm back with another video. In this little vlog, we're just gonna talk about living in Canada as a Jamaican. Sunday afternoon right now. So, no whole heap of preparing a Sunday dinner. Rice and peas and chicken, and beef. I know the usual. But in Canada, when I live in Canada, them culture don't exist, you see me? So, in another video, we're just going to talk about living in Canada as a Jamaican. So, just eat up on a Sunday dinner, drink up on a carrot juice, drink up on a Kool-Aid. Cause Kool-Aid, I love Kool-Aid, you see me? Kool-Aid is my juice.
6 times daily. 8 to 10 a.m., 1 p.m., 3 p.m., 6 p.m., and 8 p.m.
Still have to listen to my Zip 103, you see? Canada is a nice country. Nice, big country. And it all depends on which part you live. You see me? So this video is for the Jamaicans, or for anybody that wants to come to Canada. I'm just going to let you see, just tell you a bit about the country and where you're going to expect when you move here. I know a lot of people want to move to Canada, so this video is for them. I'll turn up yourself.
Corner, West Ham had an immediate chance to equalise, but Jared Bowen's powerful effort after he outpaced Christian Romero was well saved by home goalkeeper Fraser Forster.
Alright, give me a minute. I soon come back. You see it? Don't fuck around.
Nobody even feel the same since the money and the fame on the king, the palm of brain, like the fuck my even care.
So I got Starbucks, and I know I never buy nothing from Starbucks before. This is gonna be the first time I ever order something from Starbucks.
Hi there, how are you today?
Hi, I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing awesome here, thanks. What can I get ya?
Could I get a lemonade refresher?
Yeah, so refreshers, we have 3 options. We got strawberry, we got mango dragon fruit, and we got pineapple passion fruit.
I'll take the lemonade.
Just the lemonade?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no problem. What size for your lemonade?
Medium.
Medium sounds good. Anything else?
That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Beautiful. It'll be $3.94. See you up here.
Thanks. Got lemonade. I got the lemonade from Starbucks. That's probably the most boringest drink someone can go to Starbucks and buy. A lemonade. But it's a drink. No drinking while driving, kids. We're going to talk about living in Canada as a Jamaican. And I've been living here for 5 years, so it's safe to talk about the differences. That's it. Living here, you have to have in mind is the culture difference. So in Canada, especially where I am, there's not a lot of things to do. It's boring. Like, don't let people tell you that it's fun. It's boring. This country is for workers. It's for, you just for work and go your yard. It's cool right now. If I look on the temperature, see it here? The temperature is 7 degrees. And that is a good day. 7 degrees, that's a good day. Usually, that warm. Usually, it would have been -1, -2, -10. And them something there. So, in the winter, it's cold, boring, and not a lot to do. And let's talk about the cold now. You come from Jamaica. You're used to, and if you're from Jamaica, because I'm talking to the Jamaicans right now, you're used to 20 degrees, 30 degrees, 25 degrees, right? Well, in Canada, that only exists in a June, July, and August. You see me? June, July, August is where you get those nice weather. You see, after September, just prepare for start wear jacket, pull over, one bag of clothes, socks, all manner of things where you don't wear at Jamaica. So that's one more thing, the weather, it's cool. You go dip in the water, in the summertime you dip in the lake. The lake is freezing as fuck. You see me? So that's one more thing I have to think about. The cold. It's very cold during the winter, during the fall. It starts to really warm up in April. That's when it get warm. Right now in February, March is going to be cold. You see me? So that's one more thing. So that's the next thing I have to think about coming to Canada. The cold. Another thing, I talk about the culture difference already, so you know, in maybe if you live in Toronto, like you can get carnival, like Caribana and those things, but again, like that's during the summer. Here where I live in British Columbia, them things they not exist. Of course, you have your Jamaicans everywhere, your Jamaican community, your Jamaicans keeping them parties, your little food shop, them have them get together. But them thing that, yeah, so you see like carnival, so street dance, water parties, them thing that is not non-existent. Like those things, take them out of your mind. When you're coming to Canada, this is what will be in your mind. Work, and go home and go work some more. You see me? And it no matter if it's cold, it's hot, no matter which temperature, working is what you do in Canada. So if you're a worker in a business about going outside, you don't care about friends, or you don't care about having a giant, like a big social life, Canada is the country for you. If you want a family lifestyle, just settle down, read a book, and drink your coffee, Canada is it. But if you're like me, 25 years old and young, and you want to experience, like, you know, a young lifestyle, do your research before you come to Canada, because not everywhere in this country is going to I go provide you with a lifestyle where you think you gonna come here and come live. You see me? Well, you are come here and come do. What the whole way there I do. Work. 7 days a week. Work. If you want to make any sort of money, that's all you're going to be doing. Working. Of course, you can start a business. You can do them something there. But, yeah, of course, you do your business and start a business. But for the next 5 to 10 years, that business is not going to be making the money that you're going to, what in your mind. You see me? So for the next 10 years, yeah, work. Of course, I live in Jamaica. That you have to work. Anywhere you live, you have to work. That is a no-brainer. But at least after work done, you can link up your friend them and say, yo, go, yes, son, you know? Go down at the bar. Go, Ray, Ante. Whole heap of options in that department. When you live in Canada, you have to have your money. Because in them country, you want to have fun, you have to be spending. So that's the next thing. The money is nice when you live at Jamaica. So the exchange rate, when you change out that, of course you see the difference there. But when you live right here so, and you get Canadian dollars, that's all you're getting, my nigga. Canadian dollars. By the time you don't spend, you buy gas. You got one little Starbucks. You pay for your phone. Everything. You pay for everything. Where's that money? It's gone. You see me? So now, a lot of people are here doing 2 jobs. The one job they are just to pay the bills them, you know, for make you live. Buy your food, buy this and buy that. So you need second income. You need another income. So nobody make people telling us say, oh, go foreign. Your life will go better, Ray and Ray. Yes. The system in these countries is not as messed up as like say Jamaica system. That's all you get. You don't get no different, you see me? You still have to be working. You still have to pay in your water. You still have to pay in your light. The thing is, say, when you live in Canada, you can do a minimum wage job and pay for those things. Just prepare for do one big trade-off. You see me? You got trade off your social life, your friend them, any lifestyle where they live at Jamaica. You see, from once you come in any country like Canada or the US, all of that done. You see me? It done for. And of course, yeah, you know, you're gonna grow up at a point in your life, a social life, probably. I'm not talking about on like social media. I'm talking about people on a whole in general, like in your community. There's not a community here, like you can't just come out and go down the road and call one of your friends them. Like, that's not really here. That's what I mean by a social life. I'm not talking about social media. You get what I say? So when you come to Canada, just prepare to trade off all of those things just in the name of being in foreign. Because just trust me, being in foreign is not that great. Because right now, I'm not even gonna tell you know what me I gonna do. I'm not tell you know what me I doing about. Just know say foreign is not it. That foreign thing and I do it. You see me? And even say foreign, Canada is not the thing for me. You see me? But the Caribbean, who living in the Caribbean, let me tell you this. Stay where you're there. Yeah, of course, try get like traveling is important, like experiencing other countries and people. But for living wise, do not move from your country. Stay where you are. Because a lot of y'all think it's just, oh, I'm going to take a plane and go live. It's just bigger than that. Like, you're naturally bound to which part you did born. Like, when you get up from which part you did born, for go other countries, you're going to feel that difference. Your body is going to want to go back to where it was originated from. Just trust me. A lot of people don't admit that, but that's a part of it too. Your body are gonna want go back which part it come from. Next thing we're gonna talk about, the lack of sunshine. So after the summer over, there's going to be a period where there's no sunlight at all. Like the sky is right now, if you look outside, right, that is just a grey light back at me. Out the door, it's grey. That's not sunshine. So you will feel that too. You come from a country where you feel the sun every day. You come to a country like this, and one day you can ask, where is the sun? Where's the sunlight? You wonder why a lot of people depressed in these countries? There's your answer. Do your research. The sun is a big ball of energy. When that now shine, nothing else now shine. Your life is not shining. Your life is dull. You see what I say? If outside dull, the sun now shine, you are dull too. And a lot of these countries, the US, Canada and UK, it's grey outside most of the time. No sun. So, and let me tell you, you're going to feel the effects of that. When I talk about depression, seasonal depression, it's a thing. Sun now shine. You see me? Seasonal depression is a thing. Like human beings, we need the sunlight. Get it? We need the sunlight. So yeah, in these countries, the sunshine is non-existent for a lot of months. That will affect you as well. So think about that before you think about migrating. There's no sunshine. Yeah, Canada is a good country to live, don't get me wrong. Like, it's a very good country. Like, you pay taxes and you do those things, you can reap a lot of rewards, a lot of opportunity is there. But this video is for the people, like Jamaicans that want to come to Canada. It's just to do your research before you migrate. That's all I have to say. Research the country that you're going to migrate to, because it's not what it seems. Social media is one of the biggest lies. So don't believe what you see on social media. And that's another thing I want to get to. That's one of the reasons I deleted social media. Because social media is one big toxic cesspool of lies. People posting things what they not even do. Posting things that they don't have. Lying to you. So me, I deleted Instagram and I don't use TikTok. As I said, if you want to see me, I post on YouTube. Because YouTube, like the video, it shows you your raw life, your lifestyle, your actual life. Like, this is what's going on behind you. Like, Instagram, you can easily fake a story, put it up, and people say, oh, that's where I live. No. Well, you can do that on YouTube as well, but it's not as easy. Like me can screen record somebody's story, put it up and say, oh, that was me. I can't really do that on YouTube. So it's easy to lie on social media. That's why just think about that as well and be like me and delete social media. There's a lot of reasons why I should delete social media, and the biggest one is because it's just toxic. A lot of people is just lying. You can't, trust me, you can do without you can do without being on Instagram. Like, I've been on Instagram forever, bro. Trust me. Like, since 2013, me there on Instagram. And for the delete it, it was a no-brainer. Because think about it, you're seeing everyone else's life but yourself. Every day I click through thousands of people. You see everybody's life but your own. Your brain don't meant for take so much information. Your brain is not meant to take so much things at once. Reality is, one person now do so much things. It's easy to compile 10 video in a one and put it in a 30 seconds and boom, it look like that's the life you're living. But let's live in reality. Everyone, your life is boring. Everyone's life is boring. It's mostly work, go home, and I think about what you're gonna do with your life. That's mostly life. Yes, a lot of people is living a good lifestyle, going to the beach, this and that. But when them go home, them ask themselves the same question, just like me and you. What the hell them are gonna do with them life? You see me? So trust me, migrating isn't the answer. So yes, delete social media. Start take up some book. Go take up a camera. Go do some photography. Go explore. You see me? Do those things. But stop go on social media and skip through your story reels. Yeah, my camera cut out, so the battery is overheating, so right now I'm just switch to my phone. So right now, see? Look. It's grey outside, nigga. It's grey, no sun. That's what I'm talking about. So yeah, do your research before you move to a country like this. Like, it's not the same, like, it's not the same thing as living in Jamaica. Just let me tell you that. Big bump in my face. Yeah, the camera cut, and honestly, I lost my train of thought, so we're not talking about Canada again. So yeah, I delete social media. And deleting social media, trust me, it will improve your life a bit, because it's gonna make you start focus on other people's life, and it's gonna make you start focus on your own. Like, you know, you can create a social media and you add your closest friends, but you don't need to look on, like, you don't need to look on thousands of people. I just skip through them story. Well, that's for me personally. For me, if I'm going to have a social media I'm posting every day and every week, why not go on YouTube? You get paid for that shit. You're not getting paid to skip around on Instagram. You get paid to go on YouTube. Apps like Twitch. There's millions of people live on Twitch right now. Ad revenues just running through their shit. Like, go on an app. Shit, this bump is affecting me, nigga. Yeah. Start post up your life. If you're gonna post, and I said this in a video already, if you're going to post, go and go post on an app where I give you money. Yeah, when people are scroll to your thing, ads are run. I make a little butt up on the side. You see me? A little money up on the side. But for me, like me personally, social media is just a waste of time. Especially as I said, if when I click, man I see the ads are run. Like you have two people in the world. You have the watchers and the creators. I rather be the creator. But the creator is the one who the creator is the one who reap the reward. Yeah, the watcher reap rewards too, you know. Him get entertained and them thing there. But do me a favor and just delete your Instagram and delete your Facebook. Delete TikTok. Delete all distractions. Don't delete YouTube. Because you have to watch me. You see? Alright, that was just a little rant, you know, a little Sunday rant. My camera gonna go overheat, so I have to switch to the phone. You see me? And the phone camera is not too bad. You see it, so yeah. I was just going on a little rant talking about living in Canada and deleting my social media. I forgot to grab a little Starbucks lemonade. You see me? I hope you like this video. Give the video a thumbs up and drop a comment and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in another video.
Yeah, hey, ask me how I did it, I'm telling them grace. Ask me how I'm living, I'm telling them great. Ask me how I did it, I'm telling